What's up guys, and welcome to you on the Moonchart channel. I hope that you are doing very well, because yes, this is important. And today guys, on the Moonchart channel, if you don't know the Moonchart channel, we are doing some Elliott Waves analysis most of the time on Bitcoin, but it happens sometimes and I analyze Ethereum, Cardano or Matic, you know, the most the 4 crypto we analyze on the Discord server. By the way, if you want guys some good trade opportunities, some good analysis, don't forget to join the Discord server and click on the notification if you want to watch the previous video about the Discord server, if you want to get more information on this. But yeah guys, today we're going to update the Bitcoin finally. So I'm going to show you some possible scenarios here, okay? Because yes, the way we did here are just crazy. There is so much possibilities. And yeah, before this guys, don't forget to smash the like button. This is really important for me and also for the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget also to subscribe to the channel. And if you have any question during this video, don't forget to tell me in the comment section down below, or just join the Discord server and ask me on the Discord server. So let's start with this and what we can see here. So first of all, I'm going to say it again, but the top for me is not here, and here we did a flat here with a nice WXY, a big one. We should not be anymore inside a bearish scenario. We should not get a B wave here and a C wave just right there, okay? In my opinion, it's not valid anymore. Why? Because I'm not, you know, with this 1 2 3 4 5 WXYXZ. I'm not with this scenario. Why? Simply because the top for me, as I said, is here and not here, okay? So these 5 ways to the downside don't match at all with a possible ABC. It's still possible, you know, maybe I'm completely wrong, but this is not my scenario, and I did all the wave, if you remember good, for people that was on the Discord server. I did every wave before extra, and this is a scenario for me, and this is each wave for me here match, you know. So we are going to see now what we did here, in my opinion, with the previous update we got on Bitcoin. I did on Bitcoin. So from now, these are my waves, okay? This is what we are going to do, in my opinion, but if you check as a daily, I'm going to show you that it will be a super bullish scenario. You're gonna tell me, what the fuck is this wave? It can retrace only 123. Yes, but I'm going to talk about this just after, okay? So here, just to update the waves before. Okay, so in my opinion, we are in this, you know, 1 2 with an ABC flat here. People was telling me in the comment section down below, in the previous update, I just deleted the comments because it was just useless to say that. People was like, it's for example, it was here, okay, it was on these waves, I drove 5 waves, okay, I was like, it's really ugly, but we are not in this, in my opinion. But just have a look, and they told me a wave 4 cannot break a wave 1 top. Yes, in an impulsive wave, okay? But if you don't know the rules, guys, just please don't comment and don't pollute the comment section down below, because you're just gonna get, your comment just gonna be deleted, okay? So, for example, here, wave 1, 2, we did a possible ending here. That's why I have a zigzag, 3 waves, and then 5 waves, okay? 4 and the wave 5. We personally, on the Discord server with VIP, catches this bottom and fill it along on this one, okay? But here, as you can see, the wave 4 breaks the wave 1 top and go between the wave 1 and the wave 2. This is called you know, an ending, okay? So we have 3 waves per wave. This is not an impulsive wave, but we have 3 waves per wave, okay? We catch it perfectly, this bottom, by the 3 waves here. So I mean, yes, a wave 4 can break a wave 1 top, okay? Don't put any leading on every wave or ending, you know. This was an ending here. A leading is in the first wave. But anyway, so that was just for the comment that was in my below my previous video, okay? And moreover this, they told me, you don't know the rules, Elliott Wave rules. Sorry about that, but we can get an ending or a leading, okay? So that was in my opinion for this wave. And I was not with this wave previously. I said it, but I didn't draw it. So now it's on the chart. You can see it. And just don't tell me that we have a flat here, but it will not be possible anymore. Nah. This is my scenario, okay? This is what I think on Bitcoin, and that's all, okay? So in my opinion, we did a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and we are in the wave 5. The maximum target on a wave 5, keep in mind that it's the 261.8. So we are going to see the wave 3 here. In my opinion, we did a 1 2 3 4 5. Everyone was waiting for a retracement here, and me too. I was waiting for this, but we just pumped it from here, okay? We was in a long, so that was pretty cool. wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, just right there. I'm going to show you the target we reached on this wave 3. So we reached the 200%, as you can see just right there. So this is not a perfect touch, this is not the most common target. Now it's like 100%, it have really a low percent chance to stop on this 200 or 100%, less on the 100%. But yeah, the most common target is the 161.8, okay? We stop it out on the 200%, and then if you have a look at the wave 5 here, that is our current scenario on the Discord server. I'm going to show you the possible other scenario, because yes, if you're a trader, you have to be prepared to other possible move, to other things we can do on the market, okay? So this is the most possible one for me, okay? Maybe I'm completely wrong and this is clearly possible, because the waves we did here, I don't find the exact answer on what we did here, okay? For it looks more like an A, B, C, an A, B, and C with a triangle inside, no, A, B, C, D, E, and move up after this with an A, B, C inside here, okay, O, W, X, Y. I'm going to show you that after, okay? But yes, the wave 5, most common target, we cannot start on the 200%. So if we stop from here, we just dump, do a retracement here, that will be really strange, and that will be my waves are just wrong, okay? But we stop it now on the 200%, so I expect that we're gonna move up again to the last target here. So we can just break this, go a bit higher, range, and just move to the downside after this. This is clearly possible. For example, if I go on Ethereum here, I already show you this this possible thing here, but it was maybe not this one, maybe more this one. All right, perfect. As you can see here on the top, just right there, from this red dotted line, that was a 261.8. The dump was predicted on the Discord server. I show you also some video, you can watch my videos. That was the target was wrong, by the way, on the YouTube videos, because the wick here was not good on another broker price. I mean on another price, I don't remember which one, but anyway, from this red line, this dump was predicted, and that was a 261 point. As you can see, we went higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, and then dump it, okay? So we can do exactly the same on the top of this. This is just an example that I give you, you know? So this is what is expected for me. No, it was on this one. Right there, perfect. Okay, so after this it will mean a bigger wave 1 and a bigger wave 2 retracement. So the statistics say you have to buy the 50, you know, it has 73% chance to stop between the 50 and 61.8 retracement. Okay, so that's a good buy, you know, for long term if we do this retracement, because yeah, after this I'm going to show you a super bullish scenario that we have a nice bullish divergence. I'm going to show you that bearish one, but also a hidden bullish divergence, and hidden is stronger than normal divergence, you know. So that will be the wave expected here. We can still go a bit more down, and I would like to show you something. Can I change this to only the 261.8? Perfect. So here, in case we're not in this wave 5, for example, we are in a triple wave here, A, B, C, or something like that, okay? Or maybe more W, X, Y. We will do a triangle here, okay? So an expanding triangle here. So A, oops, B, oops. Okay, I'm gonna move the way after B, C, D, and E, and after this, that's why you move it to the upside, okay? Like that, but for now we just clearly didn't reach some targets, okay? So that will be the first wave here, impulsive wave, I mean impulsive or triple correction wave, triple wave here. The bottom will be on this one here, not this or this one. Good template like that, perfect. And yeah, the first target for an ABC or WXY is a 61.8, then the 100%, then the 123, then the 161.8, and in that case we cannot go higher than a 161.8. ABC, the C wave, cannot go higher than the 161.8. Keep that in mind, because this is really important, okay? Or a WXY, or every triple correction wave, okay? This is a rule that you have to know, because I saw a lot of guys tell me, no, this is an ABC. No, because we are higher than the 161.8, we touch the 200%, so it's just not valid anymore. And if we touch the 200%, for example, it's more an impulsive wave. So that's why I also think about that. The WXY walk, you know, but I really don't think about that. So anyway, a move up is expected. Okay, here you can see a triangle. Okay, so that's why that will be maybe an ABC or WXY here. That will not be a wave 5 if we are in this ABC. Okay, B with a really small retracement, but if we are super bullish that's the game, okay, with a C wave here, okay. So the C wave will go, we don't know, maybe on the 100%, maybe on the 123, maybe on the 161.8 maximum target here, we don't know. The wave here will be a WXY or an ABC. I didn't check out any waves, you know, here, but I'm just showing you the possible waves here, okay. So that will be here a triangle, possible triangle here. So I'm just going to remove the waves inside here, just right there. Oh, please not this. Okay, where are these waves? Okay, so I'm going to remove everything here. Perfect. So we will be possibly in a triangle here. If you have a look at this, that will be possibly a big correction wave, for example, an ABC or WXY, you know, normally not a WXY, but an AB, here's a B, and then the C. So it's possible that we go a bit more down, but this is not really expected here. But as you can see, there is this two trend line, okay. By the way, I'm going to show something after this. But this is possible that we do a triangle, you know, inside a B or X wave, maybe more a B wave, because normally it's not possible in the WXY. So like that, you know, A, like that, and only get WXY and ABC inside. A, B, C, D, and E with a break to the upside normally, okay, because when you finish the E leg to the downside here, we have to break, I mean, we have more chance to break to the upside, okay. If we finish the wave E to the upside, that will be the E wave here, we have more chance to break to the downside, okay. This is the statistics of a triangle, and that will bring us after this, because if we finish this almost like that, you know, we will just break to the upside, and we are going to see which possible target will match with this possible big ABC, okay. So it will be A like that, B here, almost around there, just to give you an idea. And then the most common target, I mean the first target will be the 61.8, just right. As you can see, don't really match with the other bigger targets, you know, of this bigger ABC or WXY. So that will be the next one, okay. So the next one will be a 100, that will match almost with a 123. But if you pay attention to the next target, last possible target, we are both on the 161.8. So we are maybe going to see a price that's gonna reach 57k, okay. This is clearly possible here that we're going to do that. But yeah, so that was a quick update on this. I'm going to show you now the possible bullish scenario, because yes, we have a super bullish scenario, and if we do that, we're not going to see any retracement like that, okay, after this. So I'm going to remove everything here like that, going to hide each waves here. I'm going to, first of all, to show you something really quickly. You know, everyone, you just got everything in my previous video. You know, I told you everyone was like with this trend line. That was really funny to see on YouTube, by the way. We got a lot of YouTubers that was, oh my god, if we break this to the downside, we're going to 10k. Guys, what the fuck is that? It's not because we break a trend line. I don't use trend line because I really don't care about that. I use Elliott Waves, and this is clearly better when you use them good, okay? This is the best thing you can use in a market, in my opinion. This is how we can predict, I mean, this is how you can predict the market, the best prediction you can get, okay? So no, it's not because I mean, I told you in the previous video, you know, we are doing this, okay? So we didn't reach at the higher prices, okay? But we are really close to do it, in my opinion, okay? To go high after this. No, it's not because we break a trend line that we are dumping, guys. This is just, don't listen at these YouTubers. This is just not really useful to listen this. This is not a good analysis, you know, clearly not. And yeah, that was really funny to see. But anyway, now I can, I'm going to show you the possible bullish scenario here. So if we are super bullish, I already saw that, you know, in some other waves here, okay, we don't respect the Fibonacci levels, okay. So that's why this B wave will be really high, and we will get a last wave to the downside here to reach, possibly that will be the last target we should reach. In case we do that, the wave 2 will be a really small one. You'll tell me what the fuck is that, but this is a game. If we are super bullish, we are going to do that, guys. If we are super bullish, we are going definitely to do that, okay. We don't respect every levels if we are super bullish, because this is a pattern that the price wants to go down, but we are still moving up. So there is a lot of buyers on the market, and the market is not going down. So this is also possible that we're gonna do that, okay. So in that case, we will do a really big retracement, you know, so it will be like that. Default, as you can see, that will be an insane B retracement. Normally you cannot retrace more than 123, okay, for a flat. That will be a flat here. That will explain the 3 waves here, for example, but the target on this B wave is not really well touched, so that's not really cool. And a last C wave. Keep in mind the first target for a flat is the 61.8, then the 100%, then the 123, then the 161.8. We are already on the 61.8. We can clearly do. You're gonna say, what the fuck is this? We can clearly do a wave 2 like that, okay? Because we are super bullish, and it already happened that we have a wave like that, guys, before, okay? So I don't remember exactly where it was, but we already get this, okay? So that's a possible waves. These are possible waves, okay? So the lowest price we can reach on this will be this 41k, a bit below this top of the wave 1, okay? Why a wave 1 here? Because we have 5 way inside, okay? So 3 ways, and then 5 ways to the downside here. So it will be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I checked that, and it match, you know. But the problem is wave inside don't really match, and here that will be a lot of wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the problem is when you have too much wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, it's not really good. And most of the time we are not in a wave 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I was, for example, expecting a wave here to the downside because we reached it was a 161.8 on the wave 5, on this bigger wave 5 on the other scenario here, you know, this wave 5 just right there. Because we got wave 1, 2, 1, 2, some possible wave 1, 2, it was just zigzag correction patterns, okay? So it's exactly the same, 5 ways, 3 ways, 5 ways, but we don't have any wave 4 and 5. We just rocket to the upside or to the downside after this, okay? So yeah, this is a possible super bullish scenario. And moreover this, yes, because I forgot, but if you go on the daily here, we have a bearish divergence. That's true, okay? This is clearly true, you're right. But hidden divergence are stronger than normal divergence, okay? For example, here that will be the bearish divergence, okay? With this, oops, like that, you know, that will be the bearish divergence here. But we have a hidden bullish divergence, okay? So it's just right there, okay? So that will be here to the downside here, but here we go to the upside, okay? So the bottom will be here and the top will be here, like that, as you can see. And this is, guys, a hidden bullish divergence, and that will validate this scenario. So be ready, because it's gonna move to the upside or to the downside really soon, guys. This is an important update. So we're gonna maybe see high prices, because yes, if we do a wave like that, first of all, the beginning of the wave is the same than the current scenario I have, you know, on the wave 5, as I told you, it's gonna stop on the 261.8. But the wave 3 cannot be predicted with the Fibonacci extension tool, simply because we are super bullish and we have to be in the smaller waves. Okay, so if we do something like that, I can tell you that we're going to reach some damn high prices, okay? For example, the most possible target here will be the 161.8, but if we do a small retracement, we are more on the 261.8 or 423.6, so that will bring us to really high prices, you know, 100k directly with this wave 3. Of course, we're gonna get 5 waves inside this wave 3, so it's gonna be better to check these waves to determine where gonna be the top approximately, okay? So we're gonna see that, and after this, you know, it would be a bigger wave 3, 4, 5, no, you understood what I mean. A bigger wave for retracement, by the way, because we did a small, if we do that, we're gonna do a really small retracement here. So on with a small retracement on the wave 2, you can expect a bigger wave retracement on the wave 4, okay, on the second retracement of the wave. If you have a big retracement on the wave 2, you can expect a small retracement on the wave 4. This is the rule also. So after this, it's not finished yet, because you have the bigger wave 3 here, then the bigger wave 4, then the bigger wave 5, and after this, once again, the bigger wave 3, the bigger wave 4, and the bigger wave 5, okay, with these waves here. And after this, another one, a bigger wave 3 here, the blue one, a bigger wave 4, and a bigger wave 5. So this cannot be predicted yet, but these waves are not completely finished yet, you know. We cannot really predict that for now. We have to be inside the wave to determine where we're gonna go. So that was the possible scenarios on Bitcoin you have to see, because yeah, this is extremely important, okay? This is important waves, And yeah, pay attention to the possible, I say possible because this is not confirmed yet, but pay attention to this possible triangle here. I mean, I'm pretty sure that if we do this a triangle here, the YouTube gonna be full of, oh my god, we're breaking a triangle here, we're going to 100k directly. Maybe not, maybe not. Pay attention to this 261.8 and we can just clearly break it to the downside too. So don't listen everyone, do your own analysis, this is extremely important. And yeah guys, hope you enjoy this market update on Bitcoin. I hope you really enjoy it, this one. Don't forget to smash the like button, this is really important. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and to turn on notifications. Don't forget to join the Discord server by clicking the link just right below in the description. If you want to get some more informations on the Discord server, just look at my previous video. I think I'm going to put the link in the description, by the way. But yeah, stay safe, take care of you, this is really important. Don't forget your stop loss while you're trading, this is also really important. And yeah guys, see you next time.